Friday travelers, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're off the beaten path of the hidden gem in the heart of the Philippines, the Mararison Island in Culasi Antique, also known as Malalison. This island paradise is just 15 minutes boat ride away from the mainland. Ready to explore the crystal clear water, rolling hills, and untouched lights of heaven? Let's go! The ride was smooth and the views just wow. The turquoise waters and the mountain backdrop of the Antique are breathtaking. And here we are so excited to see the nature of this Mararison. You'll instantly feel the peaceful island vibes. The beach is clean, the sand is soft, and the locals are very welcoming. We've just landed and look at this view. White sand beach, calm turquoise water, and a warm welcome from the locals.
Diba? Ang daming cottage. So, dito kami mag-overnight ngayon. Dito sa Casa Antique. Cottage. Ay, meron pa. Dami pa. Ano? Oh, ang dami. May balay pa. Ay, grabe. Oo, ang ganda dito. Amakin mo yun. Bundok lang nakikita namin kanina. Ayun. Madaming bahay na. Oo. Uy, parang ano ito, parang banwa. Good afternoon. Uy, parang banwa lang siya. Uy. Tingnan nyo naman.
Ako, friend.
Oh, ayan.
Welcome to Mararison Island. You can enjoy with your family, loved ones. Have a good day, everyone. Hello.
The island is home to a small but friendly fishing community. Visiting this island can help the residents, the tourism, to enhance the beauty of this island. Mararison is about 55 hectares and has around 700 residents. It became popular after the Typhoon Yolanda in 2013, when photos of the island's beauty went viral online. Now let's talk about snorkeling. Just off the shore, you can see vibrant coral gardens and variety of marine life. No need to go far. It's literally just steps away from the beach. So we're spending night here on the island. You can choose between homestay, cottages, or even camping on the beach. Dinner is usually fresh seafood cooked with a local fisherman. We had grilled fish, rice, and kinilaw, which is in island style. This is the room that we're going to stay overnight, and of course, affordable and budget friendly. One of the best things about staying overnight is peace and quiet, and the stories above. Absolutely beautiful and magical. If you love nature and a bit of adventure, you've got to do the hiking trail. The hills here are similar to Batanes, golden grasses, swaying with the sea breeze.
Wow. Skilahan. Oh my God. Malalison Elementary School. Wow, malaki yung school dito sa loob. Wow.
Wow.
Look at that. Ah. Ano ba dyan picture? Ay, ano na yan? Ano? Do, ano daw?
Ngaw-ngaw.
Ngaw.
Gabulak ka naka-violet.
Daw, ano? Anong nire-refresh siya ng kamay? Marami na. Ano sunod na kraman? Tubig. Amoy ang pinakataas? Ay, hindi. Sabi ko, lawit cake. Walang na makakuan ito.
Tinahong dagat.
It's an amazing trip. And at the top, you get this amazing 360-degree view. Absolutely breathtaking. This is where island meets sky, perfect for photos or just taking in the view. But don't forget to bring reef-safe sunscreen and respect the marine ecosystem. Let's keep this paradise clean and thriving. If you're planning to visit, here are the few tips. Bring cash. There's no ATMs here. Book a local guide to support the community. And stay overnight if you can. The stargazing here is magical. Waking up to this view is worth everything. The sound of the waves and the cool warming breeze, pure paradise. We're now heading back to the mainland, but we're definitely taking home beautiful memories. Or really mountain meet the sea. If you're looking for a quick escape on your next adventure, Mararison Island should be on your list. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable trip to Mararison Island. If you like this vlog, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've been here or plan to visit. Until next time, travel with heart and explore responsibly.